Why? What, Cartoon Network? Why would you make this show? And why is the show still running now? It's still running. In this video, I'm be doing a review slash extreme, mega, exploding killer rant on this show. My god, this show is so bad. I'm gonna rant on Teen Titans Go. Came to year 2013. Basically, the plot about we have these um, these morons go on baby adventure, and that's all the plot about this show. Guys, I used to like this show, but now I don't. I used to like it since 2013 to 2018. Let's talk about the characters, shall we? We have Robin, which he's a jackass. We have Cyborg, he's a pedophile. Beast Boy, a pussy. He's a pussy. Raven is a bitch in this. And the worst character has to be Starfire. She is annoying. And no one cares about Silky. My god, they ruined the characters. And the villain, they ruined the villains also. Everything is ruined in the show, including the theme song. They ruined this. And that's actually the theme song is horrible, is horrendous. They ruined the theme song. Yeah, they ruined the theme song, but in the original show, the theme song was catchy. But this is horrendous. My god, the characters were ruined in this show. And this is one of the worst cartoon reboots I have ever seen. Is this the worst show I've ever seen in my life? Yes, it is. They ruined the original show, and my god, I'm kidding. And also, what's good about this show? Thank God this show got a 5.2 on IMDb. It deserves it. And Cartoon Network, if you're watching this, please end Teen Titans Go and please take it off TV. And I also want you to take off Maze World Gumbo because I no longer like that show. No, guys, I no longer like Maze World Gumbo because I found the show to be horrendous. Because I just don't like it. This is my opinion. I just did and I decided to stop liking it because I just don't like. I just hate it now. I will give that show an extreme mega killer rant. Why? And if you do take off this show and Maze Runner Gumbo, I hope you replace it with all the late 2000s shows. I want you to bring those shows back. And also, you made crappy shows. You made new crappy shows like Valentine and Victor and Valentino and Mal Pier of Hearts. Those shows suck. I will give those shows an extreme rant. And Maze Runner Gumbo it's gonna get an extreme mega killer rant. And my god, the show's horrendous. And why is this show still running? And why did the show got a season 6? It doesn't deserve a season 6. The show needs to end. This is one of the worst Cartoon Network shows I've ever seen in my life. And let's talk about the animation. The animation is horrendous. But the original show has good animation, but this is just horrendous and cheap. This is cheap and lazy and horrendous animation. It's horrendous. My god. Why did I used to like this show? And my god, this show is so bad, and I get pissed when I check in my direct, see what's aired on my stream. I see nothing but Teen Titans Go and Maze World Gumbo in their newer shit. In their new shit. You know what? Even pissed me off even more, guys. They they're showing a competition of showing more of Maze World Gumbo and this abomination. I will make a video what they're showing. My god, I hate this show. And I don't know, for the last time, Cartoon Network, please end this show or cancel it. And please take it off TV. And please take off Baseball Gumbo. Please take those shows off TV. And please cancel this one. And I don't know why how you're keeping this show going. I don't know what to say. This show gets a 0 out of 10. It's bullshit. Bye.